Hello, everybody. Good trader. Today is Sunday, 2nd of March 2025. Okay, and it's been a while since my last vlog. So because I'm quite busy with my daily routine. Okay, working 9 to 5 and blah blah blah. So make a vlog is a little bit challenging for me. Even though my vlog is normally only take around 7 or maximum 10 minutes. Okay, after maybe around 2 months, and then today I'm remembering I have a YouTube channel. Okay, and also I write something also in Baby Pips. Basically, everything is just the same. Okay, now before this is the my chart, my MT5 chart with IC market like always. But I will show you first my trading journal. Okay, this is my simple Excel spreadsheet. So back again to January. January, I made profit $654, and here you can see that I have a lot of lost position as well. So it's not always trading, not always about the profit, but also the reality. You can see here that I hit my stop loss. I close manually, hit stop loss, not clear chart. So I put additional information here just to make sure that everything is well recorded. If you can see here is, for example, this is why I get stop loss. This is gold or ZAU USD. We can check here. So pop up. Okay, I'll make it bigger. So this is 1 hour time frame, and this is the blue arrow is where I open buy position for gold, but unfortunately I get my stop loss is get hit. So how could I remove this little bit? So basically, for gold is quite profitable, but also because this the volatility is quite high. So when I put my stop loss, it's very easy to get hit the stop loss. But this is the characteristic of this pair gold. I need to remind myself that I need to really, choosing the perfect setup for this because minus $300, is quite big for me. Even here, you can see here also minus 338 dollars here, minus 326 minus, and here the one of the biggest USD GPY, USD Japanese yen, minus almost $450, in here even bigger, minus 500, minus 500. But in the end, I'm still managed to make profit in the end of the month. That is 650. Okay, that is not big, but if you compare with my capital, I start with 8,000. Well, basically, if you little bit flashback with my vlog, if you follow my vlog and you want to see my previous vlog, actually that I'm start with 5,000 US dollar, 8,000 capital is 3,000 is my profit. Okay, this is since 2024. I'm starting with 5,000, and in the end of the year I get profit 3,000. So in 2025 my capital become 8,000 US dollar. Okay, okay, that is enough for January, and then we move to February. February 2025. Okay, here we go. So in February, I didn't make a lot of trading. I think less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So only 12 open position, and I made profit $742. Okay. Here in February, I didn't take any gold position. I didn't have the chance because the trend. I'm a little bit afraid because I'm not sure because it's already all time high, and then I have no really clear view whether that is gonna going go, still will be going higher and higher, or is going retrace and I can pick a little bit scalp. But of course, when you're not sure about something, especially when you're talking about the trading, so better I stay aside and then just try to play safe and then just play the ordinary pair. Okay, like here, like what I have here also I have a lot of stop loss hit here. For example, GBP Australian dollar minus $300 here, minus 322, minus 251. So I have a lot of minus here. But if you can see here, also I made really a handsome profit that can be little bit covering my losses. Here is $992. Let's see this. GBP Japanese yen. So GBP Japanese yen here. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Okay, let's see. So here is sell. You can see here the red arrow, and I made really handsome profit, $992. Okay, okay. So this is basically all from my trading journey in February. Now March still empty. Okay, March is still empty, so February. Well, basically, I still have one remaining open position. Even now it's $742, but I still have remaining one remaining open position. That is here. Okay, Euro New Zealand dollar. Euro New Zealand dollar. Now is like take a look the equity. The equity now is here. Okay. For the moment for this pair Euro New Zealand dollar. I have floating profit $249. Okay, and because today Sunday and the market is closed, so we will wait what happen tomorrow. Okay, and okay, let me remove little bit this. Okay, I will move this. I will erase this. So here after the price move in the right direction, more than 100 pip, and then in Friday the price is going down again, but I already moved my stop loss to break even little bit, okay, break even and little bit extra room. So this is a break even point plus, I can say like that, but it's not as much. Just to try to anticipate when the price is going back and hit my stop loss. So basically, I already in the safe side. This is important for you guys. Okay, okay. Be honest, I'm not always doing this. Try to move my break even point to the stop loss. Sometimes sometimes the market sideways and hit my stop loss before I can move my stop loss to break even points. And now, hopefully, okay, because I put here 200 pips for take profit, and my stop loss was already break even point. Hopefully in tomorrow in Monday the price will go on the right direction. Okay, go in the right direction. So I'll show you also. This is my position that actually this is I consider this is also the good setup, but unfortunately this for the pair is sponsoring Japanese yen after several days sideways. You can see the candle this 1 2 3 and then sideways, and finally the my stop loss is get hit, and then okay, I get minus this for consulting Japanese yen. Well, I'm not really happy when I open the position and then the market is sideways for several days, because normally based my own experience that the price just wait for the time before it's hitting the stop loss. Okay, okay, but that is the trading. That is normal. Profit or loss, it is part of the business. Okay. Okay, guys. I think that's it for today. My short vlog. Okay. Hopefully everybody guys, all of you, okay. Today is little bit sunny day, around 30 or 31 degrees Celsius outside the weather. Okay. And I open my window. You can see my room is quite bright. Okay. So hopefully guys, everybody, all the good trader wherever you are around the world, I hope you enjoy your trading, keep make money. Don't forget when it's Sunday, it's time to you to make some back test and review your trading journal because this is important. Okay, you can make everything. You can make with the simple Excel spreadsheet like what I showed you previously. That is very easy to do, and then you don't need really uh, detailed statistic because sometimes it's not necessary to have that. Okay, keep healthy, keep safety, and I'll see you for the next time. And thanks for watching. Bye.